How do you build your mindset in a world that is constantly trying to shape the way you think? Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talking about something very important. How do you build your own mindset and take control of the way you think? We have a text and let's read it. The first step to build your mindset is awareness. You need to realize that not every thought you have is truly yours. Many of your beliefs come from your environment, your past, and the people around you. When you become aware of this, you start to see the things differently. You stop accepting everything automatically and you start observing your own thinking. The second step is questioning. Instead of following every idea, start asking simple questions. Why do I believe this? Is this true? Or did I just learn it? Question doesn't make you weak. It makes you conscious. It helps you separate what is real from what is just influence. The third step is choosing. Once you start questioning, you can being to choose that you what to believe, not decide on fear, not decide on pressure, but decide on what truly makes sense to you. This is where you start building your own mindset, not copying others, but creating your own of your thinking. The final step is consistency. Building your mindset is not something you do honest. It is something you practices every day. Every time you think, every time you react, every time you make a decision, you are shape your mindset. So be aware, be attentional, and stay consistent. At the end of the day, your mindset is your responsibility. You can follow that everyone else thinks, or you can build something that truly represents you. So take control of your mind because the way you think will shape the way you live. This is all in this video. I hope you are start asking your beliefs and stop to accept every ideas come from others and try to build your own mindset. Have a good time. See you soon and good luck.